our focus also continues to be the latest update as far as the power struggle in Karnataka is concerned. My colleague Pratibha is joining us live from outside Vidhana Soda. Pratibha, it's been another very busy day for you in Bengaluru. Bring us up to speed with what has happened so far and what really can be expected going ahead today.
Well, Hina, it's been a power-packed day, starting with breakfast at the Chief Minister's residence. And it was a power-packed breakfast, but it seemed to be very carefully curated by the High Command. So what will happen next? That's where all curiosity is going to be. And a lot of it is also in the messages that were put out by both Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as well as DK Shivakumar. As far as the breakfast is concerned, the two leaders were seen all smiles, putting up a show of unity. But the question is, does it really end there? What's going to happen next? Clearly, it's not the end of the power tussle. What's going to happen next? What did the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister say? Interestingly, after that meeting that lasted for about 35 minutes, both the leaders addressed the media, and here's what they said.
The unity will continue. We are together. Myself and the President of the KPCC and Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. DK Shivakumar, and myself are single. We are you are united. You are united, and there is no differences between DK Shivakumar and myself.
Today I am very happy that all of you have come for our press conference. Today myself and the Honorable Chief Minister, we had a breakfast meeting, and Mr. CM is also going to come for a lunch or dinner within next few days to my residence. We all have joined together, we have worked together. The party, as the entire workers of the state, have jointly supported us, and the people of Karnataka has blessed us with a massive mandate. Whatever promises we have given to the people of Karnataka, it is our bound duty to deliver everything. The promises, whatever we had given to them, we have delivered. At the same time, we are fortunate with all your cooperation and all the legislature's cooperation. We are giving a government with a good governance. We will continue to do so. Today we discussed the strategy of 28. We discussed the strategy of 8 assembly session, which is going to be held. How to tackle the opposition party. We will do it. Whatever they do politics, they may try to create a lot of issues. We are ready to answer to them. As far as political issues is concerned, the leadership issue is concerned, we go by my party high command. Whatever my party high command tells, it is our decision. At utmost, we all are the basic party workers to keep our party regime very high. We know the party is in difficult stage in our country, but still we have confidence. Karnataka will take a major role, repeat in 28, and will take forward in 29. Again, under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul ji, we are confident that we will come back and will support 29 to bring them back to power. That is our commitment. We have taken an oath. We will do that, and we will deliver for the people of Karnataka.
So the one golden word was the High Command. The High Command, High Command, High Command, said by both the leaders. The final decision will be taken by them. But it was very clear that the meeting, the outcome was not as expected, because DK Shivakumar didn't address the media. He jetted off immediately after that, though in the meeting it was all smiles. Joining us on the broadcast, we have Mr. Bhaskar Rao, spokesperson of the BJP, on the broadcast with us, former Commissioner, Advocate S. Balan, political analyst, and Basavaraj Itari, journalist, on the broadcast with us. We're joining you live from outside the magnificent Vidhana Soda. But I want to begin by asking you, Mr. Bhaskar Rao, what did you make of this meeting? Was it really an outcome that DK Shivakumar expected? Because though the two leaders put up a very united front, does it look like this is going to be the end of the power tussle?
The people of Karnataka have given Congress party a thumping majority of 136 seats. Instead of governing, they have only been squabbling for power. Let them have lunch, dinner or breakfast. It have no outcomes. and people are waiting with bated breath, and there is a media hype about what next. Look at the condition of Bangalore. Look at the condition all over Karnataka. People are waiting to be governed, and High Command, which should have been cracking the whip, is asking them have breakfast and speak and sort it out. What are you there for? And people here are saying we want the High Command, and High Command says you sort it out yourself over there. It's a mockery of their mandate, and they ought to buckle up themselves and address burning issues which the state is facing. So we are all supposed to stop everything and only watch news to see who is going to do. Government's work is God's work. Which God's work are they going to do right now?
Okay, when is there going to be a decision? When is the High Command going to decide? But Mr. Basuraj, why is it such a difficult decision for the High Command? Is it a deja vu on what has happened in the other states? In Karnataka in particular, now you also have elections coming up next year. What is the reason why the High Command is really not able to take a decision, asking the two leaders to sit together and come up with a solution?
That must have been done in the first, first world go. But what has happened is Congress High Command is extremely unnerved following its debilitating defeat in Bihar, and they're yet to grapple with that, and they're yet to formulate a strategy to hold the party together. At the same time, what has happened is because of just that, because the High Command is weak, these local leaders have become too strong for them to manage. Today, everybody says High Command. Who is that High Command? Mr. Kharge comes, he's the AIC president. He says, we and High Command will decide. Who is High Command? Is it Mr. Rahul Gandhi? Is it Mrs. Sonia Gandhi? Who is it? Somebody has to take take a call. This buck has to stop somewhere. Where it's going to stop. And today's going by the body language of Mr. D.K. Shivakumar or Siddaramaiah in breakfast meeting, this is a very uneasy piece. And this is not a show of unity. It is it is a made up. It's a made up image. Probably for all optical reasons, because they're getting into parliamentary session, and here there is a Belgaum session is going to happen. That's one thing. But interestingly, Siddaramaiah keeps on blaming media as if media has imagined this power sharing formula.
That's true.
It is not so. Media asked him a very pointed question: was there an agreement or not? It's a very simple question. If there was no such thing, he would have said no all the face.
Yes.
He
In
did
fact,
not say no.
today in the press briefing, my colleague Imran also asked him very clearly, is there a 2.5-year formula or not? Is it about you keeping the word or not? And he refused to answer.
That evasion itself is an answer.
Yes.
That evasion itself is an answer. That there is an agreement, and he is simply sticking to his guns. Consequence, what is the consequence of this is that the caste representation politics of Karnataka, given any party does that, but caste representation politics of Congress there's a danger of this turning into a caste struggle, going by the way that statements are being made by Kuruba leaders or local leaders. Kuruba leaders said, we will teach a lesson if Siddaramaiah is removed from the post. I mean, what is that?
Yes, Mr. Balan, is that the reason why, it's so tough for the High Command to decide? Because either ways, even if Siddaramaiah actually continues, there's going to be backlash from the backers of DKS. If DKS is picked, then Siddaramaiah supporters are going to be unhappy.
So we are talking about the High Command, but the People's Command, 136 plus 4, 140 seats for Chief Minister. People have not given mandate for sharing of power.
Yes.
There must be one Chief Minister. Why power sharing? The power sharing is there with all the political parties, whether it's BJP or DMK, power sharing. Now what I see, a corporate face and a agenda face. It's a internal bickering between two faces. And they are fighting for power, power for themselves, power to their families, power to the citizens, zero. In Bangalore, you see, we are standing near metro. Metro workers are paid just 10,000. Government has no guts even to pay their DA. Bangalore, we have 44 lakhs living in slums. No water, no food, no wages, low wages, no purchasing power. In the entire Vidhan Saudha, most of the staff are contract laborers. They have no guts to fix their minimum wages. So people as a
governance has taken a backseat because of this fight. But Mr. Bhaskara, what is the BJP going to do? Because, there has been talk about bringing in a no confidence motion as well. But as far as the numbers are concerned, the Congress has nothing to worry about.
According to me, BJP is behind this.
Is it the BJP?
I don't know. Balan is maverick. He can come out with any statement. So.
No, but it's not just him. Even Siddaramaiah, Randeep Surjewala also said that BJP is responsible for
If you
this.
are not able to solve your problem, you shift it to an unidentified identity over there, and you say that I cannot solve this problem. See, they are in such a fix now. What do you mean by high command? As Balan says, where is the high command now? It is the people's command who put them over there. They ought to be solving a problem. Now, it is very difficult for the high command to digest an idle Siddaramaiah if DK Shivakumar is made the chief minister. And similarly, if Siddaramaiah continues, that idle DK Shivakumar will be power mongering, and he'll be looking for ways and means to see that this government doesn't function properly over there. So who has to take the decision over there? It is the high command. And the high command has to take a decision when the two people are warring among themselves.
The
and
BJP has nothing to do with it. It's
why should BJP enter into the whole thing over there?
credit chori that they're saying the BJP is responsible, whereas it's a tussle within Congress?
That one can gesticulate because recently Mr. Prahlad Joshi had been saying that there is some horse trading going on. So, and if there is a horse trading, then it's everybody's market. So, obviously BJP, one gesticulates, it could happen. But right now the numbers are stacked very clearly in favor of Congress. That's quite unlikely to happen. But party high command, Congress party high command, I think it is just one nameless, formless power or what. Somebody, it has to be, somebody has to name who is the high command. Nobody is naming that. That itself is the root of all this confusion, this 2.5 years mess. And this is not the end of it. We're not going to hear the end of it as of now.
Yes.
This is not a feature-length film. It is an episodic drama series. So probably they have entered, what I'm hearing from my sources, they have entered into a pact saying that they would wait till session gets over, both Parliament and Assembly, and then the Siddaramaiah would place another budget, and then it will be, he will say goodbye, and probably that is...
Okay, so then he will have the broken the record of Devraj Aras wanting to be the longest serving Chief Minister of Karnataka.
I don't know what use of that record. What is the use of that record?
But many in Congress believe that Siddaramaiah is chasing that record, and that's the reason why it has been delayed.
What utility value is that record?
You only have a certificate in your hand. What have you delivered?
Nobody's going to give a certificate.
What have you delivered? That is what we want.
On the issue of the welfare schemes that have been brought in by the Chief Minister as well, many believe, including DK Shivakumar, have said the development took a back seat because welfare schemes had taken the front seat in Karnataka as far as governance is concerned.
There is a B team of BJP within Congress. That always happens in all the states.
Okay.
For the last 7-8 months, the statements of DK Shivakumar
But why
also
didn't they work to bring
indicates
BJP in
Why are
power?
you bringing Balan? Why are you bringing BJP?
Anniversary of SM Krishna. So it is a family program. I have to be there and pay my respects to the entire family. That is why I have come. Every once in a year they perform this rituals, whatever rituals we have to do. ಕೃಷ್ಣರವ್ರದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಇದು ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಷ್ಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಅಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ, ನನಗೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಗೌರವ, ಆತ್ಮೀಯತೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವೇನು ನಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ನಮ್ದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
Sir, again, is it a message that, sir?
Would you like to give them a message today?
I don't want whatever message we have to give. We have given myself and Honorable Chief Minister, both of us have given to the entire congressmen in this country, and whoever want to look at it, we abide by it, we stand by it, we are committed on it.
So yesterday you said that there are many issues of the state to be discussed. You will be going to Delhi.
Of course, myself CM will discuss. We have to make a strategy whether how many of us has to go. But I have a lot of issues on it, especially on irrigation and urban development. I will have to go. I will have to fix the time with the central ministers also. All of a sudden I can't go. I have to discuss with the central ministers. We wanted to call all-party meeting, myself Chief Minister, because on this maize issue, we want to discuss, we want to take the all-party delegation on this sugar cane and maize and some other issues connected to the state.
So you heard the reactions coming in from DK Shivakumar. As of now, only dropping hints that I have the support of the people of Karnataka. There is a lot of work to be done. We are united. That's what he says again. And of course, the word on the High Command as well. But unfortunately, that's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Quick break. We'll be right back.